Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Epic Games launcher is installed and up to date. This prevents compatibility hiccups. Next, plug your Xbox controller into USB or pair it over Bluetooth so Windows recognizes it as an Xbox controller. That immediate recognition is what allows games to read inputs. Once done, make sure Windows shows the device under Bluetooth and other devices. This confirms drivers loaded. If drivers failed, install the latest Xbox Accessories app. It updates firmware and fixes common detection issues. You now open the Epic Games launcher, sign in, and start the game you want to play. Epic simply launches the executable, so controller handling happens in-game. Navigate to the game settings and find input or controller options. Enable controller support and pick Xbox or X input if available, because that provides a standardized button layout. If the title lacks native support, use Epic's launch options or a mapping tool like Steam Input or a third party's input wrapper to translate controller signals into usable commands. You finish by testing controller inputs inside the game and remapping buttons for comfort. Remaps solve mismatched layouts quickly. Make sure the Xbox Accessories app shows the latest firmware and apply updates if required, since firmware mismatches can break features. If the controller still doesn't work, restart the Epic launcher, reconnect the device, and reinstall drivers, or try an Zinput wrapper to emulate Xbox input. This often resolves stubborn compatibility problems. One key tip: close background game platforms that might capture the controller.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.